right, Matthew. Watch the handkerchief, okay? In the way. Watch carefully. We put it over the hand. Inside the hand, there's another handkerchief. Would you pull it? Oh, they're all gone. Alright, put this inside your hat. Your magic hat. Hold on to your hat with both hands, okay?
I've seen that one before.
Oh, yes? But never performed by Matthew, right? Matthew, is there anything inside the bag? Oh, I'm sorry. Anything at all? Nothing? Put the handkerchiefs in the bag.
There's going to be something.
One at a time. Watch carefully. We wave our hand over the bag once, twice, 3 times. A lady. That's a song, right? Okay, let's see. Take a look. You see this? Hold on to that. Put it in your top hat. Alright, Matthew. Watch the handkerchief. We forgot to put it inside here. Okay? We put it in the bag. Oh, wave this magic wand over the bag like this, okay? And small circles, not big circles. Just small circles like this, okay? Not real big circles, just small little circles, okay? Take the magic wand, you're going to wave it over the bag like this, okay? Grab the magic wand, wave it over the bag. Oops. Hold on, I got another one here. This is the other magic wand. Take this magic wand, wave it over the bag in small circles. That's another trick wand. I'm sorry, I got so many wands, I don't know which is which. Take a look. This is my grandpa's wand. Take the magic wand, wave it over the bag. Alright. We don't need a magic wand. You know why? You've already worked the magic. See, take a look. Look what Matthew did, guys. Everybody, this is Snowflake. Say hi, Snowflake. Hi. You want to pet Snowflake? Go ahead, you can pet him. There you go. All right.
Remember that time that
Snowflake.
in first grade that...
Now, if we're really quiet, we can do a trick with Snowflake, but we have to be real quiet, okay? Are you ready? Snowflake is the world's only hypnotized bird. I've trained him to be hypnotized. Watch. First, we have to turn him upside down, but don't worry, this doesn't hurt Snowflake at all, okay? He's perfectly comfortable. Now remember, complete silence, okay? Sleep. He's getting sleepy, right? Watch. Go to sleep. Watch. Relax. Go to sleep. He's not used to it yet. He's a little scared because there's so many people in here today. Now watch. Here we go. Sleeping. Don't worry, he's not harmed. He's still good. Oh. Alright, everybody say bye to Snowflake.
Bye, Snowflake.
And
I'll catch him.
give Matthew a big round of applause.